Italian.
We are the best team in the world.
That's for sure.
Vineyard base Italy, EFRC, the top #1.
Benvenuti in Italia, benvenuti a our Benvenuti Tour. Put back the little key and cabana. And you have your coin back. You can take your pet, so you just put your pet on the little container there and you drop it.
Trying some of the local wine. Delicioso.
It's got a little kick to it. That one didn't have a kick. How you feel?
All right, we one sip.
Basking on the bus.
Yes, I am. Woohoo!
Of course, you can imagine, you know, those streets were built in the past not for cars, but for horses and the carriages, you know.
Did you get the shot? Did you get it?
I did. Oh, looked like I was intent, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's not so great though. This is the owner of the place.
wait for them to eat?
I am, yeah.
Such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's got his food and they don't, but he's waiting like a good friend.
I mean, he's waiting for now. I don't know. I guess they gotta serve every other person.
Yeah, I
We're
mean,
still serving chicken.
give it 5 minutes, I might be starting lunching into it.
Le conseguenze e da afferrare con la sua esecuzione di successo? Sì, che questo colpo sarebbe il principio e la fine.
We are here at this amazing restaurant and we had 3-4 courses. You know, they started off with some pasta and then we moved on to more pasta, I guess was the second course. And then finally we finished with either chicken or salmon and all of it was very good. And then later we had, I can't remember the name of the drink, I'll throw it up on the screen, but it's a digestive drink. So it has a little bit of prosecco in it and some yogurt, or it tastes very lemony, so I'm assuming it was like lemon yogurt. And then finally we had some dessert, which was like a cake. It almost tastes like tiramisu, but there was like strawberries and some sort of fruit in it, so I don't know if it was tiramisu. But yeah, this trip so far has been really amazing. We've seen some really great things. Christina and Sergio are fantastic tour guides. They know everything about this place and they know everything about Italy, you know, history. They're just sharing so much and we're getting to know a lot in just, you know, one day, a crash course. So welcome to Italy.
All done.
That one is the vineyard where we are going. It's called Le Favole. That translated means the fairy tale.
Now we are going to see the winery and then we will taste our wine.
I learned some things about what I can and cannot tolerate. When I tasted the very first one, it was a white wine. It was something I knew for sure that I could cook with. Same thing with the second, the two white wines. And the third one was the red wine. As I tasted each one, I noticed that the alcohol content got stronger. The fourth one was a sweet wine. Of course, everyone likes sweet. I could tell that I was a little bit feeling a little bit woozy. I'm a lightweight because I don't drink normally, and so I can't tolerate it very well. But I have to confess, they were very good in terms of taste, texture. I can't tell about notes and things like that because I'm still new at this, but I would highly recommend a wine tour.
It's been pretty good. I tried all wines, and I think Prosciutto, I'm not a fan. The Blanc, not a fan. And then the Cabernet, not a fan, but the Verduzzo, yes, that's the one you should try. The experience has been awesome, and being with my family has been a blessing. It's been great.
Yeah, it smells like grape.
Don't forget that.
It's pretty good. Yeah. It's not bad. It's my third red wine ever. So, I mean, it's good.
First one was my favorite, but it's up there.
wine tour was fantastic. It was very interesting. They showed us how they get the grapes, and she showed us the vineyards, and then how they harvest them, and then how they separate them, and fermentation, and all these other buzzwords that you hear in winemaking. And then, of course, everybody's favorite part, trying the wine. If you're ever in this area, definitely recommend you coming to this place to check out. Italian wine in general has a good reputation, so I'm sure you can get similar experience in other places in Italy. Even if you don't drink, you don't even have to taste the wine, but learning about how they make it. I mean, wine's been around for millennia, so it's just interesting to learn, what this drink really is.